Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Water YouTube channel. It's me, Guy, and have we got some excellent blockages footage for you today. If you do like the video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel and share amongst your friends. And also click that notification button as well, so you know when another video comes out. Right, I don't think there's anything else for me to say other than enjoy the video.
So today we're in Barnsley and we have got an RTU at this property, which is multiple blockages within the pipe. So we're going to have a look to see what we've got to deal with.
Have we got something?
I think that's the blockage there. I think it's almost bouncing over. So it looks like there. That looks like a stone. That must have been it. Yeah.
A stone then, you think?
I think there's a stone and soft blockage. We'll need to jet. Yep, so looks like we found the blockage further up the line. We'll have to get the high power jet out and jet the sewer to clear the blockage. Yep, so we've got the blockage is obviously downstream, which this manhole is partially full.
That should suggest it's been like that a while then.
Yes, yes. I've spoken to the customer and she says that it is a regular thing, that it blocks up quite easy sometimes. Yep.
All those other manholes? Just all...
Yeah, it'll all be, it's backed up all the way up the line, so now obviously the line will be fully emptying now, which that's what's been holding, so that's what's been causing the restricted toilet use for the other properties.
Wow. Look at that.
You can see the wipes coming down, what hadn't dissolved.
Quite well.
So it must have been blocked some time to obviously still be flowing.
Yeah.
Now, you know, continuously emptying.
You said that you've got quite a few manholes, didn't you, as well?
Yeah, there's quite a few. We'll have to go around, check them to make sure there's no build up, or make sure they're all empty. Give them all a clean, make sure they're all fine. So we've cleared one of the blockages. We've gone upstream to one of the manholes and it's still full, so we need to go self up to the next manhole and do some more jetting. Obviously there must be a secondary blockage and do some more investigation. Did you get that now?
Oh yeah.
How thick it is, we're going to have to try and break it up a little bit because it's must have been blocked for so long. Just have to get a rod, see if we can break it up a little bit.
We've cleared it. We must have brought down a large solid bit, but then now it's not going. So we need to clear it, jet further downstream and make sure that it's try and clear it up a little bit and get it running, and then we'll have to go back upstream again.
Yeah, it's flowing now.
So it looks like we've got a blockage just on the outlet. It looks like maybe a rag blockage. But jetting from here, I'm struggling to clear it, so we'll have to go back from and see if we can come up to it. I don't know if you want to have a look just so you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, so we just need to, that might even go down if I prod it maybe. You see it?
Yeah.
There, look.
Oh.
So we'll get the grabs and we'll get that out. We don't want that going down the line. It's just soft. Right. It's just soft, so it's what's breaking up. There's a few wipes in there. So with the excess wipes or anything we find in the sewer, foreign objects, anything of the sort, take it away, bag it up. We'll take it back to our yard where we have a skip where all the contaminated waste goes to, put it all in there, then it gets taken away. Right, so now we're going to CCTV the line, check to make sure it's alright. So 150 VC, thick clay. We're going to check it with a crawler unit. We can just give it a, make sure it's working fine. Right, so now we're going to put it into the chamber so we can start CCTVing. So we have CCTV'd the line, now we've completely desilted the line, and after CCTV there is some damage to the sewer and quite a few of displaced joints, so we're going to raise follow-on work for the pipe to be lined from manhole to manhole, roughly about 6 metres, and we're going to see if we can get the Windsor trap removed. What was in the manhole, what could have been causing a bit of an issue with people putting down wipes, things like that, to see if we can stop it reoccurring. And now we need to disinfect the areas where we've worked or we've had a little bit of sewerage on, or just to make sure that we've killed everything off and leave everything smelling nice.
Excellent. So what does that involve? So how do you do? Is it just spraying it around?
Yeah, just basically spray it round, put it on the area where you've been working, just to make sure if there's been any sewerage or anything like that, what's come out. Yep.
All done?
All done.